Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Let's quickly rewind to the best case scenario I outlined in yesterday's video. That's why my best case scenario now would be a sharp V-shaped recovery. Ideally, the price climbs back above 103.5 thousand, pushing into 105,000 to squeeze out over-leveraged late entry shorts. Crazy how it just played out exactly as predicted. Now, what made this success possible? It comes down to three simple ingredients: staying bullish in a bull market, using horizontal support and resistance levels, and reading the liquidation heat map correctly. These three factors combined gave us a perfect setup. The result? The Bitcoin price rose by 3.76%, breaking through the 103.4K level, and only stopping after the target zone from yesterday's one-day heat map got fully cleared out. The price peaked today at 105.3K, just above my heat box drawn on the 1-hour chart. During this move, total liquidations reached $167.94 million. Of that, short liquidations made up $102.82 million. That shows you just how aggressive the squeeze was. From here, price is consolidating, currently resting at around 104.2K. So what happens next? Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, there are no significant levels of interest below us anymore. Major levels now sit above, with the next cluster around 106K. Zooming into the one-day heat map, we see a very similar picture. The hottest level of short liquidation leverage is sitting around 105,500. If we check the Bitcoin ETF inflows, we can see that today was another green day, with total inflows so far of plus $82.7 million. Again, BlackRock's numbers are still missing, and will likely add another $50 to $150 million on top of that. Institutions are buying every dip. I hope you are acting accordingly. Now keep in mind, we are heading into the weekend, which is typically notorious for low volume and choppy, indecisive price action. However, I remain bullish here. I expect a move towards 106K to happen soon, most likely before the end of Sunday. Some of my trades are turning green now, and I am looking forward to reaping the rewards for taking these calculated risks. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.